Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to allow everyone to see your phone number on the Telegram app for PC. If you've recently updated your Telegram desktop app and can't find where to change your number visibility, don't worry, I've got you covered. Just follow these simple steps to make your phone number visible to everyone. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu. From here, you'll see several options like New Group, Contacts, and Calls. What you want to click on is Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram stores all your privacy tools, including who can see your phone number, profile photo, last seen status, and more. Take your time to look around if you're curious, but for now, we'll focus on the phone number visibility option. Next, scroll down until you find Phone Number. Click on it, and you'll see a few options. Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. To make your phone number visible to everyone on Telegram, select Everybody. This means anyone who searches your profile or interacts with you through Telegram will be able to see your phone number linked to your account. After selecting Everybody, don't forget the last but very important step: click Save. Without saving, your new settings won't apply, and your phone number will stay hidden. Once you've saved your changes, your phone number visibility update will take effect immediately. And that's it. You've successfully allowed everyone to see your phone number on Telegram's PC version. It's a quick and easy process that can help people recognize your account more easily, especially if you use Telegram for business, community groups, or public connections. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out my other tutorials on the latest Telegram updates and privacy features. Thanks for watching.